Guys, whether you believe it or not, Google is in danger. Google is really scared. And the reason is artificial intelligence. It may eventually replace Google's search engine. Imagine an AI that has all the answers to your questions. An AI that is not even connected to the internet but still manages to give all the answers you ask for. It is just a program that is offline but still knows everything and can compete with Google. That is ChatGPT. So, you must be familiar with ChatGPT from my previous videos. OpenAI was founded in San Francisco in late 2015 by Sam Altman, Elon Musk, and others, who collectively pledged $1 billion. Musk resigned from the board in February 2018, but remained a donor. What is the threat that Google faces from this AI? Well, Google has a threat from the current generation. It may sound strange, but yes. Well, let me explain. Earlier, if we wanted to search for something online, we preferred search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc. Isn't this how the internet works? But as technology evolved, the current generation, which includes teenagers, prefers searching on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Reddit, etc. And it provides the results they are looking for. You can even search on YouTube to find the nearest restaurant in your area, and it will show the best video results. It is also due to the fact that YouTube is the world's second largest search engine. This trend really scared Google, and they approached multiple social media platforms and asked whether Google could show their social media posts on Google search results. Facebook agreed. So whenever you search anything on Google, you can also see the Facebook posts along with other results. Like Google, every social media platform stores the user's search results and develops its environment to create a better search engine. Nowadays, Instagram and Facebook recommend that users search for hashtags, places, restaurants, and so on. Every social media platform is trying hard to be a search engine. And the advantage is that they show video results, whereas Google shows text results. Ranking on Google is not a big task if someone knows how to optimize the keyword, or SEO. What makes ChatGPT unlike any of these is that it is not even connected to the internet, but if you ask anything, it will come up with an answer. I asked how to impress a girl who is into gaming. Google can't answer this question, but ChatGPT did. I requested ChatGPT to fix my Python code. Google will suggest the resolution, but ChatGPT came up with the fixed code. I asked to write an article about Michael Jackson. ChatGPT wrote one for me impressively, and the AI wrote the article and answered the questions in less than 2 to 3 minutes. Every time AI writes an article, it is unique. Talking about creativity, AI can create an imaginary image that humans can't even imagine. There are many apps on iOS and Android where you can create or edit your photos using AI. All this is happening when the ChatGPT is not even connected to the internet. It is available on the OpenAI website with limited access. ChatGPT doesn't have the ability to access or browse the internet. It is designed to provide helpful and accurate information to users based on the programming and the data that was used to train it. Its knowledge is based on the data that was available at the time of AI training, and it does not have the ability to update its knowledge or access new information. It can only provide the information and insights that AI has been trained to provide based on the data. So friends, now assume ChatGPT gains internet access. No one would request Google then, because AI provides you with the best answer, whereas Google provides search results. AI is going to be the future 10 years from now. This is what everyone will be looking for. Maybe a bot or search chat assistant. As an example, Neuralink. It's developing a device that would be embedded in a person's brain, where it would record brain activity and potentially stimulate it. Musk has compared the technology to a Fitbit in your skull. Elon Musk is actively testing Neuralink chip installed in the brain and the interface that can connect it with supercomputers. A supercomputer with ChatGPT as its AI, which also is connected with the human brain. It can be very vulnerable and very dangerous. What are your thoughts on this? Do share your views in the comments section. Thank you.